Hello students, welcome to your science class. I hope you and your family members are fit and fine. So children, today we will be starting a new chapter, which is chapter number 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. Students, I'm sure that you must have heard elders in your family discuss the weather before planning a family function, and many of our daily activities are also planned based on the weather predicted for that day. There are daily reports of the weather on the television and radio and in the newspapers. But do you know what this weather really is? In this chapter, we will study about the weather and climate. We will also see how different forms of life are adapted to the climate of their habitat. So, firstly, let us discuss what is weather. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. The temperature, humidity and other factors are called the elements of the weather. Okay, so the weather of a place changes day after day or week after week. And in weather reports, you must have seen maximum and minimum temperatures are recorded on daily basis. Okay, and you know how these temperatures are recorded? Yes, we have a special thermometer for this purpose, which is called maximum and minimum thermometer. So children, on your screen you can see a sample of a weather report. This report is giving us or telling us about certain elements of weather like maximum temperature, minimum temperature, maximum and minimum humidity. The condition of the sky, likewise it is written as mainly clear sky. Okay, and also it has also predicted the maximum and minimum temperature on the coming day, that is Monday. Okay, so this is how a weather report looks like, and since weather is changing on day to day basis, therefore on daily basis weather reports are published, or you can hear these reports on television or on radio sets. Okay, so these weather reports are prepared by the meteorological department of the government. This department collects data on temperature, wind, etc. and makes the weather prediction. Now, a very important aspect of weather report is rainfall. Rainfall is measured by an instrument called the rain gauge, and it is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect rainwater. Rainfall is measured in a unit called millimeters. Okay, so you cannot see rainfall on daily basis on the weather reports. Okay, because rainfall may not be recorded for all days, since it may not rain every day. Okay, so rainfall weather in weather reports, this column of rainfall will not be there on daily basis. Okay, now a very important question is when the maximum and minimum temperature on a particular day are recorded. So the maximum temperature generally occurs in the afternoon, while the minimum temperatures occurs generally in the early morning. Okay, so we are going to record the maximum temperature in afternoon and minimum temperature will be recorded in the early morning. Now children, the sun plays a very important role in changing the condition of weather. Okay, so all the changes in the weather are caused by the sun. The sun is a huge sphere of hot gases at a very high temperature. The distance of the sun from us is very large. Even then, the energy sent out by the sun is so huge that it is the source of all the heat and light on the earth. So, the sun is the primary source of energy that causes changes in the weather. Energy absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface, oceans and the atmosphere play important roles in determining the weather at any place. Like if you live near the sea, you would have realized that the weather at your place is different from that of a place in a desert or near a